got back from Iraq. I just wanted to end it all. I was in my car with a bottle of vodka in one hand, and I had my gun in the other. I ended up calling a friend. He told me to stay there, and he ended up taking me to the VA. I didn't know what they were going to do. I didn't know what they could offer. I am glad I went. My name is Fred Holliday. I'm a U.S. Navy veteran, and this is me shifting gears.